This recipe is equal parts pumpkin, apple, pear, with some lemon and ginger, and nutmeg and cinnamon. The first step is we want to clean out the pumpkin and remove the peel with a sharp knife and chop it up. Easy peasy. For the apple and pear, we can simply chop those up. Don't need to do anything else there. For ginger, you can break it by hand. And we're also going to want to peel the lemon and just cut that in half. This is what it looks like when it's ready. Go ahead and hang the recipe bin off the front of Hummingbird and start grinding. I love the grinding process because that's when you really start to smell all these ingredients in the air. Now we've got those plant cells all opened up, ready to extract the nutrients. You can go ahead and hit the press button. While it's pressing, I'm going to start cleaning up and getting ready to bottle. And come back, you just simply lift the pulp out in the fresh filter press bag, which makes cleaning super easy. Now we've got 48 ounces of delicious, nutritious pumpkin apple cider. Final step, I'm going to use some freshly ground nutmeg and cinnamon because let's face it, it's just better that way. 2 tablespoons, I'm going to mix it in, and then I'm actually going to filter it out so we just have the taste without the mouthfeel of the spices. And I've got 4 full bottles of spooky pumpkin apple cider. Enjoy.